This must have been a family, running away from the contagion and perishing here on the Cliff House beach. What are you doing, Edwin? This question was asked in sudden dismay, as Edwin, using the back of his hunting knife, began to knock out the teeth from the jaws of one of the skulls. Gonna string 'em up, was the response. The three boys were now hard at it, and quite a knocking and hammering arose, in which Granser babbled on unnoticed. You are true savages. Already has begun the custom of wearing human teeth. In another generation you will be perforating your nose and ears and wearing ornaments of bone and shell. I know. The human race is doomed to sink back farther and farther into the primitive night, ere again it begins its bloody climb upward to civilization. When we increase, and feel the lack of room, we will proceed to kill one another. And then I suppose you will wear human scalp locks at your waist as well, as you, Edwin, who are the gentlest of my grandsons, have already begun with that vile pigtail. Throw it away, Edwin, boy. Throw it away. What a gabble the old geezer makes, Harelip remarked. When the teeth all extracted, they began to attempt at equal division. They were very quick and abrupt in their actions, and their speech, in moments of hot discussion over the allotment of the choicer teeth, was truly a gabble. They spoke in monosyllables and short, jerky sentences that was more a gibberish than a language. And yet, through it ran hints of grammatical construction, and appeared vestiges of the conjugation of some superior culture. Even the speech of Granser was so corrupt that were it put down literally, it would be almost so much nonsense to the reader. This, however, was when he talked with the boys. When he got into the full swing of babbling to himself, it slowly purged itself into pure English. The sentences grew longer, and were enunciated with a rhythm and ease that was reminiscent of the lecture platform. Tell us about the Red Death, Granser, Harelip demanded, when the teeth affair had been satisfactorily concluded. The Scarlet Death, Edwin corrected. And don't work all that funny lingo on us, Harelip went on. Talk sensible, Granser, like a Santa Rosan ought to talk. Other Santa Rosans don't talk like you. End of Section 1. Recording by James Christopher, jxchristopher@yahoo.com.